Goldmorr USA Presents, How Do You Know? Hi, I'm Bret Sallee. I'm the national trainer with Goldmorr USA. Welcome to How Do You Know? The series where we challenge assumptions and ask better questions about mold remediation, indoor air quality, and building science. Welcome back. Today's question is one that often gets overlooked. How do you know the air is actually clean? When most people think about remediation, they focus on surfaces, walls, floors, ceilings, visible mold. But people don't live on walls. They live in the air inside the building. Every day we breathe thousands of gallons of air. That makes indoor air quality an important part of the conversation. So after visible contamination has been addressed, how do you know conditions have actually improved? Professional remediation doesn't stop with appearance. It asks additional questions. Has the source of moisture been corrected? Has visible contamination been addressed appropriately? What evidence suggests the indoor environment has improved? Depending on the project, that evidence may include inspection, documentation, and, when appropriate, verification through testing. The important point is this: confidence comes from evidence, not assumptions, not appearances, evidence. Sometimes the air is in excellent condition after remediation. Sometimes additional work is appropriate. The key is allowing information, not assumptions, to guide decisions. That's why Goldmorr encourages contractors to think about the entire indoor environment, not just the surfaces. When we understand the building as a system, we make better decisions. We communicate more clearly with our clients, and we deliver better outcomes. The next time someone says, "The mold is gone," ask one more question. How do you know the air is actually clean? I'm Bret Sallee. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoy evidence-based education that helps remediation professionals think before they act, subscribe to the channel. And join me next week for another episode of How Do You Know? Because better questions lead to better remediation.